price times rate, madederive natin ang formula na rate is equals to cash discount over price. So, given ang cash discount at ang original price. So, madali lang siya kasi papalitan mo lang yung ito dun sa gilid. Ayan, so ang sagot is 0.06. So, ang hinahanap na is yung rate ng cash discount. Ililipat mo pa siya sa percent. So, ayan, 6%. Next example is ayan, basta ito yung next example doon. Given doon is yung cash discount at yung rate. So, bali, ang hinahanap is yung price. So, para mahanap yung price, ang formula is price is equals to cash discount over rate. Ayan, i-divide mo lang yung cash discount sa rate, tapos ito na yung final answer, yung price, 2,700.